Guys, unbox with me the Monsters Wacky Mart Labubu action figure. So, I'm gonna rip off the top. Wait, should I show you guys what I can get? They have grilled sausage, cup noodles, or I'll just show you guys. Which one would you want, Yana? I'm gonna ask my sister which one she would want.
Or either want the cup noodles or the milk.
She said she would rather have the cup noodles or the milk. Honestly, I would want the milk. Or maybe like the chow mein, maybe. Or the salad. I don't know. We'll see. If it's something she wants, then I'll just give it to her because it's her birthday today. Or was it yesterday? Yesterday. I apologize on it. I don't even remember. We were in the car. Yeah, it's my brother's. This is what we got. It's like a... Let me see. We got the cash receipt. Okay. This is what it looks like. So he looks like this. Cash receipt. He's a handmade sandwich. And then this is the other half. So he goes like this. I didn't even know it was a sandwich. I thought it was like a bag. So it wasn't what we wanted originally. But what do you think? Is it still cute?
Does it have? Oh.
He has star eyes.
Well, this doesn't look like he had no eyes.